Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about and swatch Mars Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Tints. So let's get started. So these are the newly launched Mars Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Tints, which I have picked up from the official website of Mars. These are priced at rupees 249 each, and the packaging looks something like this. It comes in an outer cardboard box, and you have to remove the upper flap, and once you open it, the actual packaging of the product looks something like this. And now it comes in a beautiful sturdy acrylic frosted sort of packaging, very easy to use. Now these are available in total 6 different shades. I have picked up 5 of them, which I'm going to swatch one by one in this particular video. Coming to the first shade that I picked up is 01 Dusty Rose. This is a must-have pink shade for all skin tone. It's a true warm rose shade. This is definitely going to look flattering on all skin tones out there. Fair, medium, British, dusky, tan skin tone category, anybody can make this work. Now these are lip and cheek tints. These are meant to be used both on your cheeks as well as on your lips. These are highly pigmented, creamy product. A little product goes a long way with it. You can use your fingertips to blend this out. At the same time, you can use your brushes to blend out this particular product. And on the lips, this looks so beautiful because of the finish. At the same time, the texture of the product makes it suitable for applying on the lips as well. Dusty Rose looks so gorgeous on the lips. It almost looks like a creamy matte lipstick on the lips. Now coming to the next shade that I picked up is 02 called Sunset Coral. It's a true salmon shade. It has got hints of coral tones going on, but this is also going to look good on all skin tone out there. If you're searching for a muted soft coral sort of shade, this is the shade for you. As you can see, I'm using a stippling brush to blend this out, so you can use your fingertips as well. On the lips, this one looks a little washed out on me, but if you belong to medium, like more on the fairer side, you can definitely make this work. On the cheeks, this one actually gives a beautiful, like a healthy dewy finish, which makes your overall face look really glowy, at the same time something that you can use on an everyday basis. The third shade that I picked up is absolutely one of my favorite shades, and I love this kind of nude blushes on me. It's a shade called Cinnamon Glow, and you can see it's a true warm brown nude shade. It looks so gorgeous on my skin tone. This kind of shades actually look really pretty when paired with intense smoky eyes, really bold eye look. You can use this particular shade on an everyday basis. Also, you can use this particular one on the lips. Also, 03 Cinnamon Glow looks really pretty, and you can see the kind of glow, the healthy dewy finish this one gives. It's very hydrating. It's not going to dry out your cheeks or your lips. At the same time, it's not going to disrupt your foundation. You can use it on your bare skin. At the same time, you can use it on a full face of makeup. Coming to the next shade, which I think is a must-have from this particular range, is Ruby Red. It's a true beautiful warm red shade. It has got warm undertone, but once I have blended this particular shade out on my cheeks, I would say it's looking almost like a reddish pink on my cheeks. But on the lips, this particular red looks absolutely stunning, guys. It has given me this kind of beautiful dewy finish. And you can see once applied on the lips, it looks like a beautiful, like a very healthy, hydrating, glowy, creamy, matte red lipstick on the lips because of the color payoff. It's very pigmented, easy to use, something that you can use on the go. So you can try out this particular product. It's a lip and cheek tint, so definitely you can use it in multiple ways. The last shade that I picked up is 05 called Pastel Pink. This is my least favorite shade from this particular range. It's like a true cool toned Barbie pink shade. It complements a fairer skin tone really well. Cool Barbie pink tone of the particular product, and you can see if you belong to like lighter fair skin tone category, you can definitely use this on the lips. This one doesn't look good at all, especially on my medium skin tone, because since I have got warm olive undertone, it is completely washing me out when applied on the lips. But the other shades that I picked up are absolutely gorgeous. You can definitely try this one out because these are really affordable, good quality lip and cheek tints, which are going to give you this kind of healthy finish, which I think is really good when you're using something on an everyday basis. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'm going to put the links of these products in the description box. So we'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye guys.